I watched a documentary recently that was all about how stress can make us sick. It's called Heal. And I realized in watching this that the type of stress that I carry a lot is not a big one that's often talked about. It's not from trauma, it's not from a crisis. It's something smaller and constant. And once I saw it watching the documentary, I could not unsee it. It is the stress of carrying unfinished decisions every day, all day. I'm talking about micro decisions: what to wear, what to buy, what to cook. Should I change my hair? Should I send this text to a family member or a friend? How am I going to prepare for this upcoming conversation? Whether I'm making the right call professionally, personally. They're small, but they add up. They're like unopened tabs in your browser. They're unopened in your mind and they cause noise. And noise equals stress. Even when nothing big is wrong, something is still pending in your mind. And I realized something. A lot of the stress didn't come from having to make the decision itself. It was about feeling unprepared about making the decision. When I don't have enough information, when I'm not sure I have all the options laid out, when I'm second guessing whether I've really thought the whole thing through, I keep it open in my mind. So when I was watching this documentary, I started thinking about this channel and how I really started experimenting with AI being that second brain and taking a lot of this low level stress off of my mind and closing those tabs. I'll ask AI to help me think through my decisions, not to tell me what to do, but to surface options, think through pros and cons, provide me with research and questions that I should maybe be asking or thinking through myself to show me what I might not be seeing. It gives me information fast, which then helps me feel prepared. And when I feel prepared, I can decide a lot faster. And then that loop closes, that tab shuts down. AI doesn't heal anything, but it does something powerful. I cannot remove all the stress from my life. I really wish I could, but I can stop from letting things linger and having a bunch of unopened tabs on my computer and my mind. So now I'm thinking about AI differently and really thinking how I can equate AI to having less stress, which could mean a healthier lifestyle.